Guys, it's Marla. I just wanted to pop on and do a quick video on how to print out digital paper. I've had a lot of questions and requests for a tutorial to make these particular purses that I made on my Cricut machine from the cut files from Silhouette. So I thought I would show you the first part, which is to grab the paper if you want it to look like this. This is the paper that I used from the Silhouette store. So if you click on it, you can download it, which I've already done, but it is about 99 cents, I think, for this. But you can use any paper that you want and just go ahead and, bring it to your desktop. So when you first hit download, it's going to ask you to allow you to download. So just go ahead and allow that. And then it'll be in your downloads after that. So all you have to do is open it up. Again, if you're purchasing this, it would be a different way. You'd actually go in and purchase and it'd ask you to buy it. So here is the actual paper. All you have to do is double click on it, open it up, and if you're using a Mac, it will be in your preview. I have a Mac, so it will open up as a preview like it would any other picture because this is a JPEG file. And then you're just going to go ahead and you're going to print it like you normally would. Now, what I do is I use paper from Michaels, the white cardstock paper that is 65 pounds, and I will shoot a picture of it in here. And it is 8.5 by 11. You can get it at any Michaels. It's just white paper, and to me that works the best. I have tried other 65-pound paper and it doesn't work as well for me, but feel free to use whatever you have on hand. That just seems to work better when I'm using 3D projects. So you can, this is my printer. Everyone's printer is going to be different, so it may look different to you. So what you can do is you can fill the entire page, which is what I'm going to do, and it is going to print off on an 8.5 and 11 piece of cardstock. So I'm going to go ahead and print that. If you have questions regarding my printer, I have just a regular printer, HP Envy 5665. Mine is an older printer, but you can obviously just grab a printer from Target. I would recommend an HP printer. HP has a program called Instant Ink where you sign up for it and you pay a set amount per month and they ship you cartridges before it even runs out. So before your cartridge even runs out, you have one in the mail and you're all set. Now it goes based on the number of pages that you print per month. I think you can go as little as 100 up to 300, I think. I will have to double check, but I'll leave a link below to Instant Ink just so you can see. On that website, it also will tell you if you are looking to purchase a printer, if that printer can be enrolled in Instant Ink, or if you have a current printer, if you can enroll that one in Instant Ink. I feel it's worth it. I like to print off at home quite a bit, so it is helpful for me. However, it's not mandatory to do digital paper. I just thought I'd throw that out there for you. So now that we're done with that, I want to show you one other thing quickly. If you are purchasing paper, it doesn't necessarily have to be from Silhouette store. You can use any digital paper that you want to make as a design on any of the items that you use, any of the 3D items. So one of the things that I did is I also purchased something from Etsy. I don't know if you guys are familiar, but there's a new Animal Crossing game out and I have been playing it, so I purchased some of this. Now if you look, you can buy any paper. Some paper is designed to be 8.5 by 11 and some are designed to be 12 by 12. So in this particular order, I ordered some of both, but mainly 8.5 by 11, so I can go ahead and print them off. So I'm going to do that as well. So if you're in Etsy and you purchase digital paper, you just buy it and then you come here when your order is ready to download and you download the files. So I'm going to download this one. There's two There's 2 different designs, so I'm just going to download one for right now. Again, you have to ask, it's going to ask you to allow, and then you're going to go ahead and open it up. Now here it's going to show you what is in that folder. Now this is going to be different for everyone based on what you purchase if you're going to Etsy to purchase. So here it'll give you a preview on the side. Again, I'm using a Mac, so this is what mine shows. It will show you, let me get rid of this, it will show you on the side here a preview. Here's a preview of what was included in one of the downloads. These are the little icons that are in the game, different backgrounds, same icons, other icons that are in the game, and other icons. So I think I'm gonna go with this one. So again, same process, double click on it, opens it up in preview so you can see it and you can print directly from there. So that's what I'm gonna do. Again, I'm gonna fill the entire paper, but this one is already filled. You can see when I hit fill entire paper, it's pretty much already filled anyway. So it's been designed that way to print. So I'm gonna go ahead and print that off. All right, so that is really it. And you can do this from any site that you purchase paper from or digital paper from. Silhouette Store has a ton of it. And if you have a subscription, then you can just go in here and you can search for patterns. And it'll give you tons of actual paper that you can print off. So this is like this or this and any of these items. Right here, it'll tell you it's a printable pattern. So you look for this little icon right here and you know that this is paper that you can print off. Again, for 79 cents, they have sales all the time and they go to 50% off, 49 cents, and then it's yours forever. It's a subscription, but it's not a subscription as in monthly where you lose access to your printable designs as you do in Cricut Design Space, their subscription access. Once you stop paying the monthly payment for your subscription with Cricut, you do not have access to those designs unless you've purchased them outright. So this is a little different. The subscription is a little different. If you'd like more information on that, you can always click up here at the Silhouette Design Store, or which I will leave a link to below, or if you have questions, let me know in the comments below and I can do a video on that, but that's like a whole another discussion. So this is just a start so I can show you how to get the paper, and then I will do an additional video of pulling in the SVG file for the purses. I'll show you in Cricut Design Space where some lines are a little bit different and you just need to change those before you actually make the cut file or make the project. So anyway, if you have any questions, please leave them below in the comments and I will be happy to answer. Talk to you soon. Bye.